Play Store and search for Auto Clicker. We first start with a single target mode. This is used to enable one single click. Let's set for the setting for the single target mode, and it's advisable to set the millisecond above 40. It also prevents your phone from freezing, and set it at any number you want, but in this video we'll set it at 50. And we move to amount of time. This is the number of time you want the click to be enabled. You can set it at any required time you want. You can set it at 20, 30, 40. And you move to the number of circles. You can set it at 90. This will enable the number of circles, whether 100, 200, 1000, 900. Then click on save after you finish configuring your settings. After that, you see a small circle with a dot inside. This will be used for the clicking. We then set the setting for the multiple target mode. This will be used for the Aviator and the Msport. This one you set the milliseconds above 40. So in this video we will set it at 60, and we set the sweep duration at 300. After that, you click on enable and go to new configuration. A plus sign is used to enable the number of circles that you want. Our time is set at 60 milliseconds. The manual tab is used to delete the number of circles that you enable. And also the arrow is used to move the tab that you see on the screen. The curve arrow is used to enable the sweep duration. This will change the number of clicks from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, 2 to 4. After knowing all our tabs, we then move to Msport. We go to games, we move to Super Kick, and we go to play now. We then move to the chat room. This is the most important part, so please pay attention to this part carefully. This is the most important part. In this video, I'm going to show you the trick that every day I used to win Msport Super Kick win every 5 o'clock. So pay attention to this part carefully. The auto click is set at 60 milliseconds, and 60 milliseconds is faster. Even your hands cannot click on it within 60 milliseconds. So the auto clicker within a millisecond is going to click on it. Here is the trick. You have to click on the plus sign multiple times, and you arrange it in a way that you won't leave any space on 10. And make sure that you don't put the circle on the bet now, because when you put the circle on the bet now, it's going to click on it, and which means when they put the money inside, you are not able to get it. So leave the bet now without any circle. And I've been doing this for the past 2 weeks, and every day I'll be able to claim the Msport win. This trick has helped me very much. You arrange it as how you see it on the screen. You click on the plus sign and it will enable more circles, and you arrange it in a way that you leave no space on 10, so that when they play the Msport win 5 o'clock, you can claim it easily. So after that, you click on the play button. It will enable it. So every 60 milliseconds, the auto clicker will click on it. So after 5 o'clock, when they say it's 4:49, you enable on the plus, you enable on the play button. So after 5 o'clock, get to 5 when they place the money into it, will click on it directly. Click on the play button will enable the auto clicker. So around 4:58, 59, you click on the play button, it will enable the auto clicker. So when Msport Super Kick win, they place the money. Sometimes they share 200, sometimes they even share 20,000, sometimes they share 46, sometimes they share 10 cities. So any amount of money that they share, even when it's around 5 o'clock, the auto clicker will click on it directly for you without even touching on it. You can leave your phone and do anything that you want. After that, come and check, you win it. I've done this for past 3 weeks, and every day I've been receiving the Super Kick. You can do this too, the same as as Aviator, you can do it at Msport, you can do it at any betting app, any Stripe betting app. Thank you for watching.